I've been exploring the money markets for a while now, and in this video, we will discuss how do money market accounts work. But before we get started, here's a quick note. Some links in the description are affiliate links. That means I may earn a small commission if you decide to make a purchase through them. But this won't cost you anything extra. Now let's find out, how do money market accounts work? At its core, money market accounts are a type of savings account offered by banks and credit unions. When you deposit money into one, the bank pools those funds and invests them in low-risk, short-term financial instruments like government securities or certificates of deposit. Because these investments are relatively safe, the bank can offer you better interest rates than a typical savings account. What makes money market accounts stand out is their blend of features. They usually require a higher minimum deposit, often around $1,000 or more, but in exchange, you get the benefit of earning more interest. Plus, many money market accounts allow limited check writing and debit card access, giving you more flexibility than a standard savings account. Another important point is safety. Just like regular savings accounts, money market accounts are insured by the FDIC or NCUA up to $250,000. So your money is protected even if the bank faces trouble. In short, money market accounts are a smart choice if you want your money to grow more than it would in a savings account, but you still want easy access and security. So if you're considering one, take a look at the interest rates, minimum balance requirements, and any fees your bank might charge. That way, you can find the account that fits your financial goals the best. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.